Hello and welcome to my Instructional Design Evaluation by Tanner Warren. So some of my strengths that I've realized when it comes to instructional design is that I am fully integrative with technology such as Canvas, PowerPoint, or Word. I'm pretty savvy on how to navigate through those apps. So that was a strength of mine. I was already familiar with Canvas LMS system already. I've already used it for previous classes in community college. Um, I'm also pretty organized on the computer, and also I like to describe myself as artsy, which can help me with different design elements in LMS systems or what have you. Some weaknesses um, that I've, found through instructional design would be, although that I'm familiar with Canvas LMS, I still have trouble finding activities and lesson plans that can be used by teachers. I only have 2 years minimum of experience for lesson planning, so yeah. And then another weakness I have is software experience. Although software is not actually new to me, however, Adobe and other useful apps and software can be seen as something that I can work on. Overview. So, as I mentioned, my strengths of instructional design would be experience. However, I can say that I'm on the artsy creative side as well, helping the websites, LMSs, and other software to be pleasing to the viewer's eye. What I can work on is that I feel I should work on mastering and being familiar with Adobe software, Photoshop, and other software in order to fully develop my ID skills. And my improvements, I can improve on lesson planning and having more detailed planning behind the lesson. I can also improve on gaining personal knowledge on instructional design itself, such as ADDIE models and things like that. And thank you for watching. Hope you have a great weekend, and thank you so much.